Hi friends, today we're going to be working with the element of art of value. Value is when you use one color and you press hard to create a dark, press softer to get like a medium, and then very soft to get a light. So value is dark to light or light to dark of one color. So today we are going to be drawing a winter hat with a little poof ball on top and like a folded over part, and you're going to use two different colors for our value. You're going to use one color for the poof ball and the folded part, and then one color for the part that goes on your head. So I am going to start with a black marker so that you guys can see what I am drawing, and you are going to start with a pencil, please. So you guys need to get a sheet of paper and a pencil to start with. Okay, we're going to start with a fluffy cloud-like shape for our poof ball. And then you're going to draw a curved line for the hat. And then we want to make a curved line here at the bottom as well. It doesn't have to go over, sorry. So curved, not to flat. And then here it's going to be like a little bit of a wavy line. And I'm going to go off the edge of the paper, and that's okay. But here is my hat shape that I'm going to be working with. And then I'm going to choose two crayons, any two colors you want. I think I'm going to go with a blue and a green today. Okay, so I'm going to start with my blue. And let's go ahead and do my poofy ball and my brim, like the folded part. Now, you can start dark to light, or you can go light to dark, and I'll show you guys both ways. So this one, I'm going to start with the dark. So I'm going to press really hard over here on this side of the poofy balls. And then I'm going to go a little bit more, a little less pressure. So it's going to be a little bit lighter. And then here in the middle, I'm going to kind of go just to like a normal coloring pressure. Hopefully you guys can already kind of see the difference. And I'm going to start going even softer. And by the time I get over here at the edge, it should be super, super soft. So I should have a very light to a very dark. So this was dark to light. Now, it doesn't matter if you go dark to light, light to dark. It doesn't matter which direction it goes in. So here on the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and start with light this time so you guys can see that way. Either way is fine. It's whatever you're more comfortable with. So here is my light. I'm going to start increasing my pressure a little bit to get a little bit darker. But it's still pretty soft. Okay, now I'm kind of coloring what I would say is more of a normal pressure. Okay, and I do want to still try to make sure that I color neatly all the way to the edge. Okay, so I'm going to start getting a little bit harder now. And the harder I press, the darker the crayon. And it actually is going to start making my hand hurt a little bit, because when you press hard, it kind of hurts. It's a little bit of a workout for your hand. All right, so now I'm going to start really pressing. You have to be careful not to break your crayon, because if you press really hard, you're going to get a great solid dark, but you might accidentally break your crayon. I do that sometimes. Okay. There we go. Here is my dark, my medium-ish, all the way to the light. All right. Now, it is your call if you go dark to light or light to dark. It's whatever you're more comfortable with. I think I like starting with the dark a little bit better. And so I'm going to start with my green, nice and dark. And then I'm going to turn my paper just because I think it's easier to color kind of sideways on this big area. Okay, now I'm going to adjust my pressure because I want to start making it a little bit lighter. Now what I don't like is when I have kind of a harsh line showing me the difference in my colors. So I can kind of see where I kind of started subtly changing it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come in here and change my direction of coloring, and that will start to kind of help blend my crayon so it doesn't look so choppy. So I'm gonna come in here and kind of color both directions, and that will help make it blend a little bit better. Okay, so I'm kind of getting over here where it's gonna start getting soft. Sometimes I just like to get it colored, and then I can kind of go and adjust it. And sometimes I have to, like I said, turn my paper around. But there we go. End result is I have a transition from a very dark green to a very light green. And I have transitions from a dark blue to a light blue, and then from a light blue to a dark blue, just by using my 2 crayons. I didn't change colors. I just changed how hard I pressed. Okay, so you guys now are gonna make your own. And when you're finished, you're either going to have your parents send me a picture on Parent Square, or you can send me a Google Doc, or you can email it to me. Or if you wanna wait until Friday, you can wait till Friday when we do a quick 15-minute face-to-face check-in, and I can see what you guys have been working on, and you can show me then your projects. And I will mark it down to give you guys credit. All right, have a great day, guys. I will see you back tomorrow to do some more value projects. Bye.